Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ABRP for EV route planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with ABRP, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in abetterouteplanner.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with a registration form requiring your email address and a password. Enter a valid email address that you frequently use. Create a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. After filling in the necessary details, look for the Create Account button. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. Check your email for a confirmation message from ABRP. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your account is confirmed, return to the ABRP website. This time, click on the Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your registered email address and the password you created. Click the Login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page. To start planning your EV route, look for the Plan a Route option. Input your starting point and destination in the designated fields. Choose your vehicle model from the drop-down menu for accurate range calculations. Adjust any settings as needed, such as preferred charging stations. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Plan button. ABRP will generate your route with suggested charging stops. Review the suggested route and make any adjustments if needed. You are now ready to save or share your EV route plan. Enjoy your journey with confidence, knowing your route is efficiently planned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.